Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Syauki Arkan, and today in this video I am going to share with you a full tutorial on how to create and flat design illustration using Figma tools. So, if you are interested in digital design, especially illustration, make sure you stay until the end of this video because I will explain everything step by step. The very first step, of course, is to prepare the Figma application. The software is free to use and very popular for UI design, prototyping, and also illustration. Once you have Figma open, you shall also prepare a reference image, something that you will trace. In my case, I already have a picture of a gorilla that I drew earlier, and I will use this drawing as my reference. Now, let's move on the tracing part. In flat design, tracing is one of the most important process. Basically, tracing means copying over an existing shape by using the pen tools. This tools is available in the lower menu of Figma, and with it you can click point by point to create lines and shapes. I start tracing from the head area. First, I outline the head, then continue to the ears, the eyes, and the nose. The idea in flat design is that you don't need to make everything very detailed. What matters is capturing the main shapes. However, even though the concept is simple, the process can take a long time because you need patience to connect each point carefully. After the head is done, I move to the mouth and then the hands. In this design, I decided to make the gorilla wear boxing gloves because I want it to look as if it's ready to fight. I think this makes the character more dynamic and fun. Next, I continue tracing the chest area. Here I make sure that all the lines connect properly. This is very important because if the shapes are not connected, later you won't be able to fill them with colors. Many beginners make this mistake, so I'll always double check your tracing. After completing the tracing of the gorilla from the head, face, ear, hands, chest on down to the legs, I create a new frame. For this project, I choose an Instagram post frame size because I want the final results to be ready for social media sharing. I enlarge the frame, then move my traced image into it. Now comes one to the most exciting parts, adding color. Color in Figma, this is called fill. To apply color, you select the trace shape and then press enter twice. If some areas do not get filled, it usually means that the lines are not connected properly, so I go back and fix them. For the gorilla, I add a dark color for the body, a lighter tone for the cheeks and face, and some highlights for the ears. Ensure the color are applied, I decided whether I want to keep out the remark, the stroke, the outlines. And adding the color in Figma. To apply color, you select trace shape and the paste enter twice. If some areas do not get file, it usually means the lines are not connected properly. I take the color in the foot. Do you want tracing? You take the color in the Figma. In Figma call tools. Until the colors are applied, I decide whether I want to keep or remove the stroke, the outlines. At first, I remove all the stroke because I think the design looks cleaner that way. However, after reviewing, I realized that adding a thin stroke can actually make the illustration look more balanced. So I add the stroke bags in, but I make them very thin, not too heavy, so that the design still looks modern and neat. Then I move on the detail. I added small adjustments like the cheese marking, the mouth, and some space correction where the shapes did align perfectly. It's really important to take your time during this tag because little details can you make flat design look much more. Finally, after deleting everything, my flat design gorilla is finished. It looks neat, colorful, and ready to be used content or shared on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.